cursor to give me node scripts, and using those node scripts to really check out all the JSON that I have. Basically, I'm using a dictionary. I made like a JSON dictionary, which is like 100 megabyte, right? And I'm gonna use that. So let me show you. Where's the dictionary gone? Yeah, so this is the JSON file for like 111. This is the same. I think this is the same JSON that all the Chrome extensions they use, right? And which is why we have to download this 100 megabyte files. And this is like the best. I don't know if it's the best dictionary. It feels like this is the best dictionary and this is the easiest to use, right? I do have some other dictionaries, Japanese to English dictionaries, right? There are other languages. I'm not dealing with those at the moment. So I've been using that. Like I've been using my own sources, right? And getting like here. I was like getting some from here, getting some from there. But I found this Japanese dictionary. And I'm like, you know what? Everything I want, I can get it from here. I didn't have to do all that. I could just get this and be done with it, right? Right. There's like 20,000 common words, Japanese words, right? And the dictionary is of 200,000 words, right? So I could easily tell it like, hey, give me like 1,000 or 500 common adjectives. So that's what this is like a new thing, but at least we have found like a good foundation. I think that's like the first thing everyone does. They waste time here and there, and then they find out, hey, this is the way to do it. This is the best way to do it anyway. But now that I've found it, I've been asking Cursor to give me like a lot of node scripts, right? To manipulate all those data. So for example, this is, I'm asking, hey, look at my adjective like JSON, and right, and say, hey, how many words are duplicates? You know, we could definitely do it by ourselves using a node script, but since it's doing it, I'm kind of finding it really, really nice, right? Because I don't have to do it. I didn't have to write it. I just asked it, and it's just doing it for me. I can read the code very well, because that's what I used to do before with Node, right? It's JS, and it makes all the work easy for me. All right, so I've got like all the duplicates. Like for example, this. Let's go to the like find it in the adjectives. So it's heavy, right? Omoi. So you can see it's in 2 places. So similarly, we have like a lot of adverbs that are duplicate, right? Kanarazu, this is duplicate. Let's check it out just for the sake of it. It's in adverbs, right? Wait, don't do that. Kanarazu, right? Kanarazu shimo. Not necessarily. Is this how it says? Anyway, kanarazu. So these are like duplicates, and it told me like, hey, there's adjectives like 20, adverbs like 68. All these are duplicates, and I found like 1,000 kanji that I schemed off from a video, and said, hey, give me this 1,000 kanjis, right? I'm thinking, what should I do? Should I put it under like used words? Let's say there's a kanji and like which kanji is used, but like I already have like a used words. That's something I need to figure out. So wait. So let's say Bundai. We're getting very close to pushing it out, to be honest. At least the first version of it, right? I mean, I'm just thinking, should I push it out right now the way it is? Because there's like some things I need to figure out, like payments and stuff, and obviously, but like there's a crucial component which I think without which the app is not ready at all. I sound like my boss. This is my like we've been making an app for 4 years, like the whole team, and according to my boss, it's not ready, right? And it's like no, I want more features. I'm like, come on, let's get some users. Like no, we're not ready. So this happens to all founders, I guess, and it's happening to me now. I think like under no circumstances I want to push the app out without the extension, Chrome extensions, right? Which can load at least two simultaneous subtitles, and like it's already what like 1010 reader does anyway, and then right it's what like 1010 reader does, like this reader does. If you go there to like any dictionary and if you have like 1010 available, right, it's gonna like tell you like which one is what. Let's say, actually let's go to YouTube. Why is everything so sluggish? Japanese. So if you go Japanese words, right, I love how these Japanese words are like, this girl taught me hiragana, by the way. Like not personally but from the videos. 800 Japanese words for everyday life. Genki. I'm looking for some Japanese words. Why I regret learning Japanese? See how this 1010 works? It's really nice. 1010. Konnichiwa. So let's say we have that, and then with a click of a button, I want to push it to my app and like check if I've learned it. So that's to me, this is why I'm like making this app, because the other apps don't have that. The other apps has like, hey, there's either the subscription Chrome extensions, and whatever you're learning from the Chrome extensions, you can put it in their space reputation system, or you could get like the normal app you have, right? And then like Wanikani, but it's not it's not open. B is not. By the way, what's happening? Right? Oh, it's taking its sweet time because it's building the app. Right. Right. So over here we have like all these different words that are duplicated. That cursor gave me the file, so this is what I'm using cursor for recently, right? Duplicate. So I think I'm gonna take out the duplicate. That's number one. Kazuko, so family. Take out the duplicates. That's number one, and see how many, how much short we are. That's number one. But like non-unique words from 1000 kanji is that okay? It's not that many. So I'm saying the 1000 kanji we have, unique words across all files 750, okay. Total words in all kanji 953, okay. Unique words in all files, excluding 1000 kanjis is Json, is 750, okay, cool. So I have like 250 words to go to make it 1000. And then I have like 1000 more words, so I have 2000 words. And then I have like roughly, I think, 5 examples per each kanji, which is like, so 10,000, like, so that's 2000 kanjis, so 10,000 examples with words, right? Which is quite a lot of words, to be honest. I'm wondering if I should just take out the whole this section. Production data. Yeah. So if you come here, we have these ones. Used in, right? So used in. So these are the words this kanji is used in, right? So this is like kanji ichi, which is one, which means once. Okay, how many kanjis is it used in? So there's a lot, obviously, right? There's a lot of words, but like Jews 11. That's where each is used. Okay, and then Itsuni, right? Solely, totally by yourself. First word, Ichini, Ichi, first rank, Ichi. So all of these. The thing is, I'm, I'm thinking if I should take this out and use the 1,000 kanji we have. Use this, because this will definitely come in there, right? Let's see if we have that in Ichinen. Actually, let's get back there one more time. One word. Sorry. Oh no. Let's put it here somewhere. Right. Ichinen is not used there. That's sad. Because that should be here at least. So we can actually see the Itsu, Hitotsu, one by one. Ichi, first rank, Juichi, 1-1, Itsumada 1, Ichini, uniform tree, right? So it doesn't have Ichinen. So total words in 1,000 kanji, like 1,002, but there's like 23 are not unique. So 90s across the other files, 97, 980 are like unique. So let's do some cleaning with cursor. Is this looking at 1,000 kanjis too, or is this just excluding the 1,000 kanji? So just asking it a question, and also like a bit ago, I asked it like, "Hey, it's surprising that is that," and it answered with really good insight. No, you're right. To be concerned, I apologize for the confusion. Let me clarify. The line const unique words is counting unique words from all words array, which does not include words from 10,000 kanjis. All words is defined as this. Right, cool. Adjectives, adverbs, nouns, and verbs. So, right, cool. To make this clearer and provide a more comprehensive analysis, we can modify the script to include. Nah, I don't want that. So if you don't know programming and it's like if you apply it directly, it's not you're going other way around. I think right now I want to try with making the extension better, because I think a lot of what happened was it generated, like cursor gave me the words, but then when I applied, it didn't apply it, right? So there was no diff, and I was like, well, what's going on? Why there's no diff? But like I said, okay, anyway. And I moved along with the extension. But with the extension, there's like a lot of trial and error. So that's kind of, I need my small wins. Right, so total words in 1,000 kanji is like, okay, you have 979 unique words and duplicates in there. Okay, so let's take out the duplicates first. Okay. Anyway, let's take out the duplicates. Make sure that only at least one from the duplicates stays. Otherwise, we'll let me give, I think it understands what I'm saying. For example, when all the duplicates are taken out, Let me see what's the duplicate. Let me just take a duplicate. Um, yeah, there should at least. Yeah, so let us take out the duplicates. There's no point having duplicates at all. And then looks like we'll need 250 more words. I'm kind of like kind of feeling inclined about what's this says. Okay, certainly you're right that we need to keep one string each verse when removing duplicates. There's a script that will remove duplicates from each file. Yeah, just you know what? I want to keep this. So let's make a new one, like remove duplicates. Yes. And apply it to remove duplicates file. Yeah. So we're applying it to remove duplicates file. Like just remove the duplicates one. It's really simple. It's nothing. Yeah, and it even loaded it that way. Actually, the kanji JSON too. The thousand kanji. Look how smart it was. Only 1,000 kanji was left, so it gave me that. Yeah, man. Do it. Node remove duplicate. Okay. New length. It also gave me new length. New length 118, 103. What? So rough. Okay. Nouns is like 288 now instead of 350. Verbs like 241. That's cool. That's cool. I'll do something else. Can you actually check across? Can you add one more thing? Tally how many common of these words fall into common category. Because there's like a common words. I don't want like never used words in there. Common category in Jamdict. So I'm asking a lot of questions. Like, I like it. I would have done it anyway by myself using NodeScript, but now it's like it gives me all that. We're saving JSON. Okay, it wants to duplicates have been removed. Duplicates have been removed already. I only want to console log some data. You better add it in this file. Hopefully it understands. It does. Most of the time it does understand. I'm wondering, like, instead of playing around with this words thing, which is a passion project, right? Yeah. All the JSON file, calculate print statistics of the total number of words, unique words, duplicates in each file. Identify print words that are unique or unique across all other files. Print out the actual duplicate words for each file. Print out the non-unique words. Yeah. What I wanted it to do, by the way, I forgot myself. Okay, common files. Where is the change? Common words check. Some right. So I need to check if these words are common words. Just what I will do with these words. Like, I got this 1,000 words. I wonder if I should use like use them in the used in section. Yeah. Check unique across. Okay, boom. It shouldn't have duplicate files anymore. What? Shouldn't have duplicates files. CD, production data. Oh, it gave us new files. Right. Remove adjective JSON. Remove adverbs JSON. Remove nouns JSON. Remove verbs JSON. Remove 1,000 kanji JSON. It didn't like. So move adjectives. Adjective JSON. Adverbs. Adverbs JSON. Nouns JSON. And verbs JSON. And 1,000 kanjis. 1,000 kanji JSON. Okay. Adjective JSON. Move nouns JSON. Move verbs JSON. Move adverbs JSON. Move 1,000 kanjis JSON. Copy all of it. Copy adjectives, adverbs, nouns, verbs. 1,000 kanji adverbs, verbs, nouns. To projects Bondi source utility. Right. So basically, right now, none of these words are duplicates. Crying, nakunayo. Nice. Cleaned up JSONs. What? Okay. And then master. Right. Right. There's some stuff done. So let's check out what we have. Right. 288, 241. Right. So they're like 750 altogether. Right. Actually, let's calculate that. 288 plus 241 plus 118 plus how many? 103. 750. So I need 250 words. Should I just borrow it from the 1,000 kanji list? Oh, should I just borrow it from 1,000 kanji list, right? And it will be great if we had it like in these places. Let's say here we have like the words made with sen, just 1,000. These are like, I wonder if I should like include the 1,000 kanji I have in there. That's my what am I thinking about. It'll be nice because then you could click these words. Right now these words are not clickable. You could click these words and go see it as well, right? It'll make a nice thing. But then I'll have to take these out. I at least want to we have like 8 words. We at least need to have like at least 5 words, because we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Similar kanji shouldn't have 10. Okay, we have like all of it in here, but here we have changed it. So we only have 5 and 8 used in, and 5. So otherwise, where I'm gonna put this 1,000 kanjis? That's what my main worry is. Anyway, and these are unique too. So that's a pickle. What a pickle. Check unique across. So now let's see. Yeah, no more duplicates. 0 duplicates. Unique words are 750 words. Everything is unique. Words that are unique across all files 964. Words that are not unique is 23. So we haven't taken out the unique ones, like non-unique ones from 1,000 kanji. We can do that. Common words 72. Okay, wait. Remove duplicates. File storage. Data. Kanji Json. 1,000 kanji Json. New length. This is very basic stuff. Okay, don't use this no duplicates. No suffix needed. Check why the 1,000 kanji was spared from removing its duplicates. So it didn't happen for the 1,000 kanji one. Yeah. Let's do that. What's the change? Where's the change? See, like, we've added apply, but nothing happened. That's what I'm talking about. Like, we've added apply, but nothing happened. Oh, sorry. Remove duplicates. Yeah. Oh no. It should be like in remove duplicates. I don't get it. What is that? Node. Yeah. Removed 0 duplicates from across. Right. Common words 72. Okay. So the rest of them are like uncommon. I don't like that. We'll probably have to change it at some point. 96, so it's almost all of them are. Verbs JSON. So that's like uncommon. There's no point. There's 20,000 common words. Right? So we'll have to take out like the uncommon ones and stuff. So there are roughly 2,000 uncommon total words, like roughly 1,700. The words appearing in multiple files. Okay. Yeah. Gecko, Moonlight. You haven't saved the files with non-duplicates, have you? Yeah. Okay. That's quite nice. I now want to check. There's some words appearing in multiple files. What should you do about that? There's only so few of them. That's like Geoniku, Meat. I can read most of it, by the way. Right, Kaigyo. These two are like C stuff. Kaisha. Let's keep it over here. Let's keep it in multiple files. There's some words appears in 23 words appears in multiple files. Right. Cool. What happens when we check like check unique across? We made some mistake in here. What was our last good one for check? Check unique. Oh, sorry. So I was in the wrong file. Yeah. So duplicates. Yeah. Total words. Yeah. Should I go ahead and like remove some of the? I'll tell it to like console log it. Cool. Now, instead of console logging the duplicates, there are none right now. Let's see the uncommon words from each file. Right, for data wrangling, I heard like data entry, like data cleaning and all those data related jobs, like it can do like like LLMs can do very well. That's what I've heard, and it looks like that's the thing. Oh, okay. Check it. Is it generating? Still generating. I wonder what's the problem. Yeah, see that? So now it has generated. So that's the only difference, it looks like. Still generating. right? So when you don't see this diff, this green and red diff, that means the new code hasn't come in. And that has happened to me in the case of the extension, like a couple of times. So I'm thinking maybe that's that. You know what? I'll just copy it. Reject. I'll just copy it. It's taking ages. Yeah. Uncommon words in adjectives. Okay. Yeah, it does look like these are like Moskoshi. These are not uncommon. Moskoshi. A little bit more. Tashkani. Indeed. This is. What's this? Let's see this. What's that? Let's go to Json. Yeah, a generator is really not a very common one. This is what? Horse order. Potato. This is uncommon. How do you say potato though? What? Emo? Emo, okay. So when you have, yeah, kind of. How do you separate it in Japanese? Emo. Yeah. There's a lot of verbs that are not very common ones. Yeah, I think so too. These verbs are a bit bigger. Kaimono suru. Kaimono suru. Kaimono is shopping though. I don't know what to do with it. Let's keep the uncommon ones, but let's check it out one more time. It's almost like 80, 62, only the adjective 72, like 60% of the adjectives are common. The rest of them are like 90, 70, 90, 80% or 70%. I'll leave it like that. Non-unique. Okay. Cool. We want to do one more thing though. Let's add something. Can you check how many of those from Tantra Kanji are related to, what you call that, do it in this file. Yeah, so I want to check like how many are related to can't using JLPT array. So yeah. What is? It didn't even load JLPT. No, it did load JLPT. Okay, let's apply this. Appara de yaru. For some reason, it's taking time. Copy it all. Oh shit. Right. Okay, CD production. There's no JLPT array. Yeah, there is a JLPT array. JLPT array. Oh, this is JS. JLPT array. Model.exports. Okay. Let's tell him that. JLPT array.js is not a JSON file, and it exports what it has. And that is an array of objects. People miscalculate how far they can go with just simple arrays and objects before they are stuck. That is true in everything. That is true with everything. Web text scares me. Experience on that front. Yeah, like, where's the cry emoji? Yeah, I wanna see some other things, man. I wanna see the React Native stuff going on. Okay, cool. What this does though, Not loading. Not loading. Also, I didn't want the like. I don't want to like check the uniqueness. By the way, kanji name, right? How many of the how many words in all the files apart from the JLPT relates to one kanji? Each kanji in JLPT array. So for the kanji ichi, I want to see ichinen. Ichi means one, and is a word that contains the kanji it's better to create a new file with that info with other ones. Yeah, do that. It's harder to like tell him, I think but it's faster than like doing it by myself. So that's the way it is. Okay, that's the important part. Combines all words from different files into a single array. Create a map where each key is right. Kanji from JLPT array, and then checking each character. Yeah. Yeah. What happened? So, brother, could apply it, or if it takes too long, then we can just copy it over. But it hasn't taken too long. Node. Node. Analyze convolutions. Okay, we got this error, so kanji array. Yeah. Is it done? All of it? Okay. Oh, sorry. Oh. So I'm just telling it like, hey, JLPT array looks like this. Let's see, Maxi. Yeah. All right. 2000 kanjis analyzed. That's like pretty common. JLPT kanjis are like 2000 kanjis. Kanji is the most rated words. Mizu 21 words. Look at that. Okay, kanji the least rated words. Who was that? I don't know. I love it. I love the kanjis, man. I feel like a children. Relax, spacious, kiki. Kiki. No more repeater. Kiki. Right, sunny, prosperous. Right. Right. Tadashi. Right, Kiki. Is that okay? Cool. Kanji the least rated words. Average number of rated words per kanji is 1 point. So some. Okay. Let me see. I think we'll have to change like all the used words, but might. Let's see. Yeah. Yeah, but okay. What is the other one? Okay, it didn't put it into output. It's definitely put it into production data. what's the file called? Have you written it in file? Kanji relations JSON. Yeah, we have to open it with kanji relations JSON. Ho ho. Holy. That's 21 words. Suichu. Mizuiro. Basuyiro. Okay, that's nice. That's actually... I don't know what to do, man. Should we put it under here? Like, should we take out this, like, for example, let's go Mizu. Let's go Mizu. This is Mizu. Mizu. Okay. So I have similar kanjis, which is done deal. There's no point removing it right now. Right. Although I don't think 8 looks like that. There's only Eternity and Icicles. They look like Mizu. But words made with Mizu. Sui, water level. Yosui, Mizu. Mizuage landing. Drinking water. Nomimizu. Drinking water. Like pump priming. Yosui, irrigation water. It should be here somewhere. No? I can't click on these, although I have like everything, all the data here. Because let's go to JLPT. JLPT array, where are you? Yeah. So using, I have, I only thing I need to add is Romaji, and we're done actually for this word, right? I don't know what to do with it, but now I have more things like Hito. So let's go check out Hito from here. Hito, right? Actually, Hito. Hito looks very much like enter. Looks like 8. It looks like length. Reach out, it doesn't look like. But the others, sentence, it doesn't look like. Obviously, no hantai and all that. Chichue, no, it doesn't look like that. But it does look like Oki and Hito. It looks very similar, which is why the similar kanjis are here. Which is also, you can find it in here. In here. Which is nicely put out in here. It says everything here. There's no point to like give them their own page. Where's Merit Hito? I can definitely use this 1000 kanji. How I'm going to use it? I have no clue. Either there's a couple of ways I can use it, but to implement it with the existing solutions, either I'll have to take out these ones. That's the thing. And I can only show like 8, and then otherwise this becomes like clunky. I see it's already like University of Electrical, it's already like going out. We'll have to like check, do something to take out the ones that does that. And obviously this is not like a word that I want to learn. I rather learn any of these words. The thing is, if you go down here, look, these ones, not that. kanji relations. There's like 2000 of it though, but so for 2000 word, 1000 word list is not gonna be enough, because it needs to be at least, if you give like 5 examples per word, it will be like 1000 word, like a 10,000 word list, which is nice. And if you unify that with the present one, if you make this list bigger, right? So let's check this one. So over here I have 5 words, kotaero, right? It couldn't find any other words. Kotae, okay, kotaero, okay. Hoshin, hokoku nasare, examination paper, Hoan. So it did, alright, so, okay. Okay. I think all I have to do is, I have to make this list, this 1000 words list bigger. I have to make it like 10,000 words list. And then connect it with, right, connect it with this list. So the used in list will be just from the same list. So 10,000 words, you can see them in used in list, all common words. Because there's 20,000 common words, I should have no problem getting 5 word example from each. Okay, right. And then show them here, as well as those 10,000 words. We could show them in this list level by dividing them into various nouns, adjectives, adverbs, and whatever else. Cool. Sounds like a good plan. I think I'm gonna leave it here. We've done like an hour of stuff, and today we have like a lot of React Native stuff coming in, like live news, so I want to check that out. So